Welcome to Best Buying Report. The Best Color Care Shampoo and Conditioner is probably one of the most essential products for anyone who invests in coloring their hair, as it's specifically formulated to protect your vibrant hues from fading, maintain their richness, and extend the life of your salon-fresh look, ensuring that every wash leaves your locks feeling nourished, looking brilliant, and resisting the dullness that often comes with regular shampoos. Number 5. HASK Color Care Shampoo Plus Conditioner Set. Introducing the HASK Color Care Shampoo and Conditioner Set. Specifically designed for color-treated hair, it helps maintain your hair's vibrancy. This set is free from sulfates, parabens, and gluten, ensuring a gentle yet effective cleanse. It's also vegan and cruelty-free, making it a conscious choice for your hair care routine. Keep your hair color looking fresh and beautiful with this color-safe formula. It nourishes your strands while protecting your hue. Each bottle contains a generous 12 ounces of product, providing ample supply for regular use. Enjoy long-lasting care for your colored hair. Experience the ultimate care for your color-treated hair with this dynamic duo. It's the perfect solution to keep your color vibrant and your hair healthy. What we like. This set is designed for color-treated hair, offering a gentle yet effective cleanse. It's free from harsh chemicals like sulfates and parabens, ensuring your color stays vibrant. If you're looking for a budget-friendly, ethically produced option that keeps your dyed hair looking fresh, this is a great choice. What people say. This shampoo and conditioner set is amazing for color-treated hair. It really helps to keep the color vibrant and prevents fading. I love how soft and manageable my hair feels after using this product. It also smells great, like a tropical vacation. The formula is gentle and doesn't strip my hair of its natural oils, which is a huge plus for me. My hair feels healthier and looks shinier than ever before. Number 4. Keranique Rejuvenate Color Boost Shampoo and Conditioner. Introducing our Rejuvenate Color Boost Shampoo and Conditioner, specially designed for color-treated hair. It gently cleanses while protecting your vibrant color. If you're experiencing thinning hair, this formula is for you. It works to support fuller-looking hair without harsh sulfates or parabens. Enjoy a clean and gentle experience. Our product is free from sulfates and parabens, making it safe for your hair and scalp. Protect your hair color from fading. With built-in UV protection, it helps keep your shade looking fresh and vibrant for longer. Say goodbye to premature color fade. This shampoo and conditioner combination actively works to minimize color washout, preserving your salon look. Enriched with our exclusive keratin amino complex, it helps to strengthen and nourish your hair with every wash. What we like. This duo provides advanced protection for your colored hair, specifically targeting color fade with UV filters. The keratin amino complex helps to strengthen and repair. If your priority is maximum color longevity and hair health, especially if you spend time outdoors, this product is ideal. What people say. This shampoo and conditioner set is amazing for color-treated hair. It keeps my color vibrant and prevents fading. I love how soft and manageable my hair feels after using this set. It also smells great, like a tropical vacation. Number 3. Luseta Salon Rosemary Oil Repair Set. Discover the Luseta Salon Rosemary Oil Repair Set, designed to revitalize your hair. This powerful duo works to strengthen and repair, leaving your locks healthier. Infused with the natural goodness of rosemary oil, this set nourishes your scalp and promotes healthy hair growth. Experience the difference that botanical ingredients can make. Our advanced acidic bonding formula helps to strengthen hair bonds from within. It effectively repairs damage and prevents future breakage, ensuring resilient hair. Gentle yet effective, this shampoo and conditioner set is sulfate-free. It cleanses without stripping essential moisture, making it ideal for all hair types, especially those prone to hair loss. Incorporate this repair routine into your hair care regimen for visibly stronger and fuller hair. Achieve a salon-quality finish right at home with this comprehensive set. Enjoy the benefits of this exceptional hair care set with our convenient 2 by 16.9 ounce bottles. Ample supply ensures you can maintain your healthy hair journey for longer. What we like. This set focuses on repairing damaged hair and supporting hair growth with rosemary oil and acidic bonding technology. It aims to strengthen strands and combat hair loss. If you have thinning hair or are concerned about breakage and hair loss while also wanting to maintain color vibrancy, this is the one to consider. What people say. This shampoo and conditioner set is amazing for color-treated hair. It keeps my color vibrant and prevents fading. I love how soft and manageable my hair feels after using this product. It also smells great. The formula is gentle and doesn't strip my hair of its natural oils, which is a huge plus for maintaining color. Number 2. Luseta Purple Shampoo and Conditioner Set. Are you looking to enhance your blonde or gray hair? This set is designed to neutralize brassy tones and bring out your hair's natural vibrancy. Formulated without sulfates or parabens, it gently cleanses while infusing your hair with moisture. It's perfect for maintaining healthy, beautiful color. Whether your hair is curly or damaged, this set provides the nourishment it needs. The infusion of cocoa's nucifera oil helps to restore softness and manageability. Achieve salon-worthy results from the comfort of your home. This duo works together to protect and enhance your hair's color and texture. With 2 large 16.9-ounce bottles, you'll have plenty of product to keep your hair looking its best. Enjoy vibrant, healthy-looking hair for longer. What we like. Specifically formulated for blonde and gray color-treated hair, this purple set neutralizes brassy tones and enhances cool shades. It also includes coconut oil for added moisture, beneficial for curly or damaged hair. If you have blonde, gray, or silver hair and want to maintain a bright, ash-toned look while keeping your hair hydrated, this is your go-to. What people say. This shampoo and conditioner set is fantastic for color-treated hair. It helps maintain the vibrancy of my hair color and leaves it feeling soft and manageable. I love how this set doesn't strip my hair of its natural oils. My color looks brighter and lasts longer than with other products I've tried. The formula is gentle yet effective. It cleanses my scalp without irritation and the conditioner provides excellent moisture, making my hair feel healthy and look shiny. Number 1. Kitsch Rice Water Protein Shampoo and Conditioner Set. Introducing our Rice Water Protein Shampoo and Conditioner Set. Infused with rice protein and essential vitamins, it works to repair damage and fortify your hair. Experience visibly stronger, healthier looking hair with every wash. We believe in clean beauty. That's why our formula is free from parabens, sulfates, and silicones. It's a gentle yet effective way to care for your hair. Crafted with quality and care right here in the USA. You can trust the ingredients and the results. This set not only cleanses but also nourishes your scalp, creating the optimal environment for hair growth. Give your hair the nourishment it deserves. See the difference as your hair becomes fuller and thicker. It's the perfect solution for anyone looking to improve their hair's overall health and appearance. What we like. This unique solid shampoo and conditioner set is packed with rice water protein and vitamins to promote hair growth and repair damage. The solid bar format is convenient and eco-friendly. If you're seeking a sustainable option that actively works on strengthening hair and encouraging growth, this is an excellent choice. What people say. My hair is so soft and less greasy in the mornings. Leaves my hair noticeably stronger and healthier. The conditioner left my hair tangle-free. My hair is thin and this gave it a lot of volume and shine. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.